Most people trying to make AI user-generated content are uploading absolute garbage. They generate one static image, slap a moving mouth on it, and pray for views. And guess what? It converts to 0. TikTok audiences aren't stupid. If your video is just a frozen face staring at the screen for 30 seconds, they are gone.
Forget what you think you know about user-generated content. We're not doing that today.
I'm going to show you how to engineer high-fidelity, viral UGC. Here's what I made in less than 10 minutes.
That is why I am obsessed with this. This is the Complete Meal 360 from ProteinWorks. It's not just a protein shake. It's literally a premium, science-backed meal with 24 vitamins and minerals.
Now people run into one issue and get stuck. So if you want to remove all friction and have a team around you, my community is the first link in the description. I'm handing you the new blueprint. Let's get to work. Now the first thing we need to do is to get a product. You don't need expensive software. I'll just show you how to do it for completely free. I am scrolling through the best sellers list. Do not pick a t-shirt. Do not pick a phone case. We want consumables, supplements, powders, creams, things people buy over and over again. I found this meal supplement right here. It's popping off. The numbers are crazy. This is our winner. I am clicking on the product page. I need ammunition. I'm grabbing the high-quality product photos directly from the listing. Right-click, save. Don't mess this up and get low-res pixelated garbage. We need the crisp files. I'm saving 3 or 4 angles. We are going to need these to train our digital brain. Now, we need a brain. I am opening Gemini. I am uploading the product images we just saved into Gemini. Now listen closely. I am asking Gemini for a very specific thing. I am telling it, analyze this product and write me a JSON prompt for the Nano Banana model to create a realistic influencer holding this exact item. Why Nano Banana? Because it's the cheat code. It's the specific model structure that understands texture and lighting better than the generic stuff you see on Twitter. I am asking for JSON format because it gives us structural control. If you don't know how to write JSON, don't worry. I took the exact prompt structure I am using right here, and I threw it in the Telegram link in the description. You can literally just copy and paste it so you don't have to type a single line of code. Gemini spits out the code. It describes the lighting, the skin texture, the specific grip on the bottle. It's perfect. I'm copying this raw data. We are moving to the factory. I am heading over to GhostScript. If you haven't used this yet, you are late, but we can fix that. Check the link in the description to get in. I am navigating specifically to the Nano Banana model. Do not click the other ones. They aren't optimized for what we are doing today. I'm pasting that JSON prompt from Gemini right into the input field. I'm not changing a single comma. I hit generate. Wait for it. Boom. Look at that. That is not a real person. That person does not exist. But the lighting on the face, the way the fingers are wrapping around the supplement bottle, it's flawless. I'm reviewing the image. No 6 fingers, no weird eyes. If it looks weird, hit generate again. It costs pennies. I'm saving the best one. This is our star. This is our employee that never sleeps and never asks for a raise. One image isn't a video. It's a poster. We need a narrative. I'm going back to Gemini. I'm telling it, okay, we have the character. Now give me 5 distinct scenes for this influencer. I want them at the gym, in a kitchen, walking in a park, sitting at a desk. I need variety. Retention dies when the background stays the same. Gemini gives me 5 new detailed prompts based on our original character. I'm taking these back to GhostScript, back to the Nano Banana model. I'm pasting them in one by one. Generate, review, save, generate, review, save. Now I have a folder full of consistent images. The same person in 5 different locations holding our product. This is how you build a brand, not just a one-off meme. Right now, they are just statues. We need to breathe life into them. We need them to sell. I'm heading over to HeyGen. There is a link below for this too. I'm uploading our best image, the one with the perfect eye contact. This is going to be our talking head. Now, we need a voice. Do not pick the robotic voices that sound like a Jeeps from 2010. Scroll through the premium options. I'm looking for something energetic, youthful, maybe a little fast-paced. UGC needs to feel like a FaceTime call, not a documentary. I picked this voice right here. I'm going back to Gemini one last time. I'm saying, write me a 30-second viral UGC script for this meal supplement. Make it punchy. Start with a hook about feeling tired. Gemini gives me the script. It's aggressive. It hits the pain points. I'm pasting that text into HeyGen. I hit generate. HeyGen is now mapping the facial structure. It's syncing the lips to the vowels. It's adding micro movements to the head. I download the video. Now our statue is talking. It's alive. Stop. Watch this part. This is where everyone else fails. They just take that talking head and slap it on a timeline for 30 seconds. It's boring. The viewer scrolls away after 3 seconds. We need B-roll. We need movement. I'm going to cling. This is the heavy artillery for video generation. I am uploading the other 4 images we generated earlier, the gym scene, the kitchen scene. I am selecting the DeepSeek option. This is critical. DeepSeek understands the physics of the scene better than the standard setting. I want the background to move. I want the hair to blow in the wind. I want the supplement powder to swirl. I hit generate on the first image. While that's cooking, I'm immediately uploading the next one. We are batch processing. We don't wait around. Time is money. I review the clips. The background blur is shifting. The lighting is reacting. It looks like it was shot on a Sony Cinema camera. I'm downloading all of these clips. Before we assemble this, you need to understand that this specific niche, AI UGC, is moving fast. The Nano Banana model might be old news in 3 weeks. The best prompt structures change daily. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to be in a room with killers. My private community is already scaling this method. They are finding the new models before they go public. They are sharing the winning products before the market gets saturated. If you are tired of guessing, check the link. Now we have all the parts. The talking head, the cinematic B-roll, the script. We need to stitch it together. I'm opening CapCut, I import everything, drag the HeyGen talking head onto the main timeline. This is our A-roll. Now, I'm listening to the audio. When the AI says, I was feeling tired, so I took my pre-workout, I am dragging the clip of the supplement being poured into the shaker on top of the timeline as an overlay. I'm syncing it to the word. I do this for every key point. Do not let the talking head stay on screen for more than 3 seconds at a time. Chop it up. Overlay. Cut back to face. Overlay. Cut back to face. This is called pattern interruption. It keeps the dopamine firing. We are not done. A silent video is a dead video, but a video without text is even worse. I'm hitting the auto captions button in CapCut. It generates the subtitles. I'm not leaving them as the default white text. That looks lazy. I'm applying a template. Big, bold, yellow, and black text. I want it to pop. I'm adjusting the position so it doesn't get covered by the TikTok UI buttons on the right side. I check the pacing. It's fast. It's loud. The visual quality is insane. You cannot tell this wasn't filmed by a human. I hit export. 4K. 60 frames per second. You just created a $500 asset in about 12 minutes. You didn't buy a camera. You didn't buy the product. You didn't show your face. This is the leverage of the future. Get into the community. Don't let this opportunity rot while you sit on the sidelines. Go make some content.